Hello everybody, I am Reed.
And I am Denise. Welcome to our channel.
Yesterday, we made a video about Daily Vlog December, and we made an announcement that we are going to be participating, and we are going to film and edit a video every single day of December. If you did not watch that video, well, then the cat's out the bag. We're doing Daily Vlog December.
Surprise!
Here's a little bit about us. We met in 2017 and fell in love while traveling.
It's kind of a long story.
In 2018, we had a revelation. We wanted to get back to what made us fall in love in the first place, and decided to convert a van into our home on wheels.
After saving up and building out the van ourselves, we finally got on the road in 2021.
We've been traveling in our van Jubilee for almost 2 years now, and we love being on the road.
Hey there! Our content is all about our love for travel, each other, our pets, and the amazing people we have met along the way.
When we started YouTube almost a year ago, we didn't know what we were getting ourselves into. But it has turned out to be something we love doing.
We appreciate our YouTube family, and whether you're an aspiring van lifer or not, we would love to have you join.
So if our content sounds like something you might like, we'd love you to join the fam and subscribe to our channel.
We're glad you're here, and safe travels to you all. Thank you all for being here. We appreciate you so much, and remember!
Creating the life of your dreams isn't always easy,
But it's so worth it! We hope you enjoy this, and we're gonna see you in 2022. Wait, I don't know.
We're gonna see you tomorrow. We're gonna see you tomorrow